Hi, and welcome to Dehumidifier Online. I just want to introduce you to the latest of our dehumidifiers, the IONMAX ION610, which uses the same desiccant method of removing moisture as the ION612 and the ION632, which have been rated by Choice magazine as being at the top of the range there. The 610 is now available and handles up to 25 square meters according to the specifications. So effectively it can handle most size rooms. It's a nice compact size, so it's easily moved around. It allows you to control the humidity level in the home. So you can set it to, say, 50%. Now the normal humidity that people recommend is 50 to 55%. So getting it to 50%, you're going to stop the growth of the mold and the bacteria in the room or in the house. You can run it to 60%, which is energy saving, so you're not going to keep running all the time, because once it reaches the humidity level that you specify, then it will stop dehumidifying. So you don't really want to dry it out too much. But if you do want to dry it further, you can get down to 40%. And then if you want to dry clothes inside, put the clothes on a clothes horse or something like that, and put the unit in front of it and run it in laundry mode, then it will generate more heat and dry quicker. The different power levels really effectively controls the fan, and so obviously the higher the fan runs at, it will dehumidify quicker, but also the noise of the fan will be increased. You can also run it on low or quiet, and it is really quiet. I have used it and been able to sleep while it's on. So there's also 3 power levels. You can run it in auto, which is probably the best way to do it. Just run it in auto, let it go and do its thing. But if you want to save some power and also cut down on any noise, then you can run it in low. Obviously you can run it in high, which will dehumidify quicker, but of course will make a bit more noise with the fan. There's a specification for removal of moisture by dehumidifiers. And it's really dependent on having a constant humidity at a certain temperature, which is not really practical, because what happens is as you dehumidify, then the humidity comes down. But it's rated at 6 liters of moisture a day, which is more than adequate to drop the humidity down to whatever level it is you want to have. And Choice has said because the desiccant dehumidifiers are so much more efficient, then you will, over time, use less power. As the fan sucks the air into the machine, then it also takes it through this antibacterial air filter. It's an interesting filter because you just slip it out from the back, and in order to clean it, just run the vacuum over it and put it back in again. So there's no filters to buy on an ongoing basis. Same with the desiccant material, it just regenerates itself, so that again there's really nothing to replace in the unit, which means that the cost of ongoing maintenance is actually 0. So you can distribute the air by using the front setting, top setting, the wide setting for the Louvres at the front of the machine. So as a desiccant dehumidifier, the way the process works is that it actually generates a little bit of heat, which turns the air back into water, or the moisture in the air back into water, which drips down into the tank. So it will warm the room a little bit. The other type of technology used in dehumidifiers is a compressor type, so like a fridge type technology. And again, Choice and other experts will tell you that the compressor types are best in a warm climate. They don't really perform that well in the cold climates. whereas the desiccant can work effectively anywhere from 1 degree up to 40 degrees centigrade. Another great feature of the unit is the laundry mode, which will then allow you to dry clothes quickly. So you just run the unit in front of them without hanging up, and put it into laundry mode, and it will dry them quicker. The water tank, which holds 1.8 liters, it's got an indicator on the outside. You can see how much water is in there. It's easy to slip out, and it's got a carry handle, so you simply just take it to the sink and drain the water into the sink. If you have a setup where you've got a drain nearby, then you can actually put in a tube, which is provided, and then it will operate continuously. Otherwise, it will cut off once the tank is full. The unit is safe to use when you're not around. It will switch off once the water is full or any sort of abnormal temperature is detected. If you have a power cut, then when the power comes back on again, it will automatically restart and will restart at the settings that you were at previously. It's a very easy to use unit. In most cases, people just set it on auto, press go, and check it from time to time when the tank is full. Take the tank out and take it to the sink. And for your peace of mind, it's got a 12-month warranty. If you have any issues, just contact us and we will manage the whole process for you. Our experience with the other IONMAX products is that they're very reliable. You can check out all the detailed specifications on the website. So if you've got any questions, just give us a call or contact us on the website. Thanks for watching.